Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and good morning. My name is Muhammad Zuli Idham bin Azman. I'm fresh graduate a diploma in electronic engineering communication at Polytechnic Port Dickson. I'm applying for the position of network engineer and network technician. I'm interested in this position because it matches my qualification and skill in networking, fiber optic system and IoT development. I'm completing my diploma in electronic engineering communication, where I learn subjects such as networking fundamental, RF communication, embedded system, and circuit design. During my studies, I gained basic knowledge in LAN and WAN configuration, fiber optic system, ESP32, and Arduino programming, as well as AutoCAD and Arduino IDE related my field. I would like to highlight my academic project experience. For my project, I work on an IoT-based smart system using ESP32 and Blink platform, which involved designing and developing a connected monitoring system. I was responsible for circuit design, programming in C++, and system testing. And I learned how to integrate hardware and software to create a functional IoT solution. This project helped me apply my technical knowledge in a practical way and improve my problem-solving skill. My technical skill include network configuration, fiber optic installation knowledge, IoT development, and embedded programming. My soft skill include communication, teamwork, time management, and problem solving. I'm motivated, responsible, and willing to learn in a professional environment. I'm ready to contribute and grow in workplace. Thank you for your time and consideration. I look forward to the opportunity for an interview.